Making breakfast. Get eggs from the fridge. Crack an egg. Whisk the eggs. Heat the pan. Add oil. Pour in eggs. Stir the eggs. Scramble the eggs. Put on a plate. Toast the bread. Spread butter. Pour the milk. Make a salad. Take a bite. Bon appétit!